everyone, myself Vaishnavi, studying in 7th class. Today we are discussing the topic of dimensional formulas from the subject of physics. Firstly, we will discuss the dimensional formula of velocity. What is the formula of velocity? Displacement by time. See, displacement is equals to length by time. Length by time means Lt power minus 1. See, no, t is there. Only t means it is power denoted by 1. But only from down onwards, we will take to upwards means it is minus. It will become minus. This is C. Think it is in down. Then when we will take to upwards, it will become t power minus 1. So, the formula is Lt power minus 1. Here in this process, no mass is used. Mass is not there. So, the formula is m naught Lt power minus 1. m naught Lt power minus 1 is the formula of velocity. And our second one is the dimensional formula of density. What is the formula of density? Mass by volume. So, mass is equals to, means see, volume. What is volume? What is the formula of volume? See, volume is equals to length into breadth into height. See, this is a cube. This is its breadth, length, height. All are same, no? So I can write as L means length. So volume is equals to length into length into length. I can write like this. So it's equals to density is equals to mass by L into L into L. What will be equals to mass by L cube. Mass by L cube. What is here? See, L cube means what I told you, from downwards when we take to upwards it will become minus. So m L power 3 is there, no? So L power minus 3. L power minus 3. This is the formula, means dimensional formula of density. And our third one is acceleration. And our third one is the dimensional formula of acceleration. What is the formula of acceleration? Velocity by time. What is the formula of velocity? Velocity is equals to distance by time. So distance is equals to L by T, no, means length by time, is equals to L by T and T is equals to L by T square. See, why T square? Because here is 1 T and here is 1 T. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So here T square. What is the formula now? Is equals to L T power minus 2. What I told you, from down onwards which we take to upward it will become minus. See here the formula is equals to L T power minus 2. Here any mass is used? No. So m naught Lt power minus 2 is the formula. See, without minus it will be square. With minus it is Lt power minus 2. Power minus. Without minus and power it is only square or cube. No means see, this is square and this is cube. But 4 is there means it is power 4 we can read as. We can't say that cube or square. And our next one is dimensional formula of force. And our fourth one is dimensional formula of force. What is the formula of force? Force is equals to mass into acceleration. See, this is mass. What is the formula of acceleration? Acceleration is equals to velocity by time. Velocity is equals to distance by time. See, distance by time means length by T and T is equals to length by T square. What I told you, from downwards we can take upwards means it is minus 2. power minus 2. This is the formula of acceleration. So we will write here Lt power minus 2. Here the formula is, we will add this, means m Lt power minus 2 is the formula of force. Thank you.